Hi guys, what's up today? Today I'll be doing a tutorial of mineimator. You see, I've got a face cam here. Yeah, first ever. And I am on mineimator. I'm going to get some terrain. You could import from world or just get things from here. And let's see. I think maybe a graveyard. Okay, maybe not that a bit big. I like nice flat things to do it. I don't know what a pig pasture even is. This looks nice and flat. This is a good place. So, as is the pig pasture, I'll need to get a Steve. And it's a pig pasture or a field or whatever. So I'll need some sort of nice animal. Let's get a pig. So this is Jeffrey's. Say hello, Jeffrey. This is Jeffrey, and he likes Steve. So let's start it off with Steve stroking the pig. So he's up and at the pig. Let's say first his head goes up there, looks up, Steve. Oops. I don't know where Steve's head is. Oh, there. Bye, Sophie. So, oh, darn it. That's why. Bye. So, here's Steve's head. And then Steve looks down at the pig. Wait. Okay, so let's get Steve's arm. So at frame 5, his arm could be there. And then his arm goes back down. Tomorrow I'll be going to London and I can't wait. The London would definitely not be countryside-y like this place. Oh, let's make a asteroid come with a particle effect. Explosion. Yeah. I don't know how to make the explosions actually happen. To me, it's actually a bit of a mystery. and I don't actually know how to make it work. So let's go all the way back. So let's see. Let's just make it like a little asteroid come down. I think it should be obsidian. There's obsidian. Create. This is Mr. Obsidian. Maybe let's see. So this obsidian could be all the way up there, and it will fall down and hit Steve on the head. So there, obsidian's up there at frame 20. So the obsidian could fall down and it's on Steve's head. And then this will hurt Steve. I think Steve will suffer from what's it called? Oh yeah, concussion. That's what it's called. So here by frame 25, well by this frame here, obsidian will be back down to the ground. But unluckily for Steve, Steve falls down. Oops. He falls down. His body is like up there, but by frame 30, his body's all the way back down. And now let's watch our animation from the start. Oh, that's awkward. This is a bit awkward. Steve needs to get up. Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. And his body needs to be up here. So Steve's arm needs to be down here. So let's just start it. Ta-da! Not that good because I haven't been using mineimator for too long. But I hope you like my nice tutorial of mineimator, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!